This rider blew past a red light and casually pulled in to fuel up. But what happened next? No one saw coming.
Get the fuck out of here. No, you might get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. I want my phone. Gonna fucking sit up, boy. You did this shit. Look at your fucking phone.
While cruising around, this rider caught the attention of an angry driver who thought he'd been cut off, and it all ended in a heated confrontation.
What can I do for you?
Do you want to fuck around?
You're the one that's fucking around, dude.
You were in a fucking red light, and then you cut in front of me.
You're in the fucking turn lane, and then try to get in front of cars.
There's 2 lanes merging, you dumb fuck. 2 lanes merging. One car, one car, one car,
and I was
one
in front
car.
of you, and you speed up to try to get in front.
Next time I won't fucking stop that close if you fuck around.
Good influence in front of your fucking kids, dude.
Yeah. Anytime you see an asshole like this, fucking knock him over his motorcycle. Fucking piece of shit. I ride too.
Off, dude.
Asshole. Fuck you.
Let's see, license plate 334KWG.
Riding straight ahead, this biker suddenly found a cyclist in his path. What happened next will surprise you.
Bro, are you kidding me? What the f are you doing, dude? What a fucking idiot, eh? These fucking bikers, man. You don't know shit. Are you okay, dude? Dude, you can't come out like that. You're right there in the left lane.
You can't pass me on the right.
Yeah, because you came out.
You can't pass me on the right going straight. You cannot pass me on the right going straight.
Dude.
You got a camera.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you can't pass me on the right going straight, man.
You
gotta go right.
You gotta wait for me.
You gotta wait for me, man.
Dude,
you can't pass me.
You came in front of me.
Dude.
I'm going faster than you.
Dude.
You came in front of me.
I was in this lane.
You cannot come here when I'm coming up behind you. You have to stay here. This is where cyclists stay. You were not here. You were here.
This is one lane.
You were
here.
There is
no this side or that side. This is one lane.
I'm
a vehicle. You have to stay behind me.
Dude, you're gonna go on YouTube because of this shit. Because you want to argue about this shit.
Dude, I don't give a fuck if you put me on YouTube.
Yeah, of course
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take a picture of your license plate.
Yeah, okay, you go ahead and do that.
I will.
Go ahead, right now. Go ahead. Go right ahead, come. This guy's arguing with me about it.
You're completely wrong, man.
How am I wrong?
On the right.
Dude, he cut me completely
Go
off.
past someone on the right. It's that simple.
Who do you think was in the right here? Comment below.
Pass someone on the right with a cyclist.
Dude, he came in front of me.
You're just an idiot.
He came in front of me.
We've seen that 97% of you watching aren't subscribed. If you enjoy watching us, just hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell to never miss any upload. And if you have crazy footage, submit your videos using the link in the description. This biker was suddenly brake checked by an angry driver for absolutely no reason.
What the fuck are you doing, bitch? Did you just brake check wreck me?
Over, buddy.
Why did you do this?
Right on my.
How was I riding on your ass? I wasn't riding. I got a fucking camera on my face, you old hag. You got like 20 years to live at best. You want to spend it being a fucking.
I got your license plate.
Take fucking pictures. Feel free,
When
man.
you drive on somebody's.
I am not driving on your fucking ass.
Bullshit.
Fuck you. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, bitch. Go! Fucking bitch.
A careless woman opened car door in the middle of the road, causing this biker to crash. Watch how it unfolds.
Why the fuck you opened the door? You don't see?
Oh, so sorry.
It's her fault.
Can I call somebody?
Fucking dumb. Go. Dude, you can't fucking stop here, dude. You're in the middle of the fucking road. You're in the middle of the fucking road, dude.
I'm good, yeah, I'm good.
Like, what are you doing? Oh, you're in the middle of the fucking road. Look at you. You're supposed to be over there. You're in the middle of the road.
No te entiendo, yo hablo español.
Oh my fucking word. I'm good. It's her. She opened the door in front of me, bro. Stop right there. Call the car.
Yo estoy parado. Y esa muchacha coge y se mete en el carro, yo no sé quién es. Yo no sé quién es la loca esa.
Esta bendeja, este carro también.
Sí, me despingó de todo el carro, yo no sé ni quién es ella.
Esta maldita bendeja.
Yo no sé quién es, yo estoy parado ahí. Y viene, abre la puerta y se mete. Me dice, yo voy para allá, digo, no vayas, para el carro.
So she literally opened your door, get in your car. She doesn't even know you. That's crazy. Oh my God, está bien, está bien. Sí, sí, está bien. Muchas gracias.
A large man stopped the rider and began arguing with him. Moments later, his son also joined the confrontation.
What is your problem?
Sorry, mate?
What's your problem? Got a problem, have you? With me?
No, I don't.
Why give me the fucking finger? Why come around me being stupid? Well, you got a fucking problem. Sort it out now.
Well, I'm about to be run over by some asshole in the car.
I don't give a fuck. Sort it out now.
Look, you're able to fucking leave me alone, mate.
Well, why give me the finger? I'm fucking come
Hey,
around
you
me
tell
stupid.
Roachy here to f off.
That's my son you're talking about.
Go past the house one more time, cunt. I fucking mean it.
Hey.
I will give it to you, cunt. Because I'm fucking sick of it, right?
Okay.
Drive past me, because you've given me the fucking
No,
finger
I
too.
didn't mean that, though.
Bull fucking shit.
What about me down there on
okay.
Tottenham Road?
Great.
Yeah, great. Fucking finger good on a motorbike, eh?
You mind?
Do you mind?
I've done nothing to you.
What? This ain't nothing. Coming around me stupid ain't nothing. Huh?
Call cops now.
Tell me where I live.
I will.
Here's how a heated fight broke out between this rider and another man on the road. Riders, we do not support any form of violence on this channel.
A huevo.
Go ahead, you fucking piece of shit.
I mean, I don't want to say get him with the helmet, but like, you're wearing a helmet, right?
Let me get up.
She's looking at me like I'm going to stop this, like, grandma.
Two reckless car drivers, possibly racing each other, cut off this biker. The rider confronted the first driver and then went straight to the second.
You have a problem? Him? No, no, I didn't. So you just flew by me because you have some kind of issue with someone else with complete disregard for my safety? I have it recorded. As a matter of fact, I have you recorded with that shit on your lap.
I'm sorry.
Chill. Is there a reason you're chasing, you're racing kids down the street? There's no particular reason for it? Just feel like it? So you don't give a shit about me being on the road too on a motorcycle? You just feel like flying by me?
I didn't go close to you, buddy.
I don't give a shit if you go close. You went fast enough by me and I'm on a motorcycle. You're racing some fucking idiot. He's an idiot for sure. And there's no doubt about it. But you're grown up. I mean, don't you think that you should be a little more responsible? I mean, there's other people. This is a fucking heavy vehicle. And it's just plain dangerous. I mean, I hope we all just take this shit a bit more serious. I calmed down by the time I caught up to you, otherwise I would have broke something. F***ing idiots.